Hey everyone, I'm just going to show you how to make a really nice tea. It's a spiced Christmas tea, but you could have it at all summer, and it's not really a tea unless you want to put tea bags in it. The concept of tea, I guess, is just soaking stuff. So this is just some hot water in my tea thing, percolator, and I've got some, that's dried pineapple because I love pineapple. I'm going to put a cinnamon quill in it. Smallish one because I'm only making one drink really. So it's a bit of cinnamon, which is really handy in these new big containers. Some ground ginger, which, oh, this is one with the clip in it. Yeah, I love these clips. So a little bit of ground ginger, and you could do whatever you wanted. You can do star anise, you could do some carob in there. We've got powdered carob now, that would be quite nice. But I want to make a real Christmassy, refreshing Christmassy one. Now I've got some whole cloves here. I do like cloves. If you don't like cloves, don't use them. So I just want to show you how you can actually just make a nice quick tea with what you've kind of got around the house. So just some fruit of some sort. Ideally leave that to steep for about 5 minutes or so. Be nice as a iced tea as well if you wanted to. But let's see. And yeah, I know this is a really cool little contraption. So there you go, a nice little fresh made tea. Let's taste it. It's very hot. Oh, that's yum. Even just that amount has made it sweet with the fruit and just a little bit of, oh yum. So there you go, quick tea.